How to switch your model in Claude Code CLI. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can switch your Claude Code CLI model. So I will be showing you how you can enable the usage of Haiku or maybe Sonnet or maybe Opus if you want to switch to one another. So in order to start, the first thing that I've done is run my Windows PowerShell in administrator mode, and then we're going to launch Claude Code by typing in Claude in the PowerShell. Now, once I've typed in Claude, you can see that Claude Code CLI has been successfully launched. And then the next thing that we are going to do is simply type in the following command, that is a forward slash, and then you can type in config. Now here you can see that this will open the config panel of your Claude Code CLI. Now once you have typed in config, hit the enter button, and from here you can see this list appears, and in this particular list you can simply find the option to change your model, as you can see right here. So currently my model is set to default, so it will automatically select the best suitable model as per the prompt. If you want to change it, you can simply press the enter button, and from here you can see that this dialog box has been dismissed. If this happens, you can again type in config and hit the enter button, and from here you can simply go down, and in the model you can simply press the space button. So once you will press the space bar, you have these three options. The first one is the default, that is Opus 4.6. The second one is Sonnet, and the third one is Haiku. So to switch to Sonnet, simply press the enter button over to the Sonnet, and now you can see that the model has been successfully switched to Sonnet. So that's how easily you can switch models in Claude Code CLI. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.